How to transfer money from STC Pay to GCash. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can send money from STC Pay Saudi Arabia to GCash Philippines and convert SAR to PHP. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up your STC Pay application. Then you have to log in into your STC Pay account. Then tap on National Transfer. You will find an option under the Remittance services. After that, choose the Western Union option as your transfer method. Then you have to choose the Philippines as the destination country. Then you'll be prompted to enter the recipient details. There you have to use the name matching the GCash account. Then choose the cash pickup. In order to confirm, you have to enter the amount in SAR. Then you will receive a MTCN, that is a tracking code, after sending it. Now once you have sent your money through the STC Pay, now to claim the money in GCash, go to the GCash, open up the cash in, then again go to the Remittance, and then again to the Western Union. Then under the GCash also, you'll be prompted to enter your MTCN number, that is a tracking code, and then your PHP amount will be deposited in your GCash wallet. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.